Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Your Beat Studio Pro is charged, paired, and close to your phone. Once done, open the Beats app on iOS or Android. Alternatively, on iPhone, swipe to Control Center and long press the volume tile to expose noise control. Make sure firmware updates finish first, because toggling works only on current firmware. Now you're ready for the first actionable step. Target the noise control interface. This is where you'll switch transparency mode off quickly and reliably. You'll now execute the core steps. Press the noise control button on the right ear cup repeatedly or press and hold to cycle modes. Stop when active noise cancellation is selected to effectively turn transparency off. If you're on iPhone, open Control Center, long press the volume control, tap noise control, and choose active noise cancellation. In the Beats app, you can also assign the press and hold action to ANC only. Make that change to prevent accidental transparency reactivation. Finish by verifying the change. Play familiar audio and listen for the denser, quieter background that confirms active noise cancellation is active. You should also hear a brief voice prompt. If transparency mode stubbornly returns, power cycle the headphones by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then retry toggling. If problems persist, reset the unit by holding power plus the noise control for the specified LED pattern, then repair. This reset often clears firmware glitches that prevent mode switching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.